not only makes our mind refresh, but they also take us to imaginary world and help us to escape from the realities of day-to-day life. If you wanna experience this, please watch our full video. Who are new to our channel, please do subscribe now. Let's start the video. First is Telugu movie Sammohanam. Released in 2018, starring Sudhir Babu and Aditya Rao Hydari. Sudhir Babu is a cartoon illustrator who hates the world of cinema, meets Aditya Rao who is star actress in the film industry. Then they start liking each other and remaining story is all about their love and emotions. It's an entertaining and fun-filled screenplay with a good story. Chemistry between the pair is nice. Streaming on Disney Hotstar and YouTube in Hindi dubbed version.
నేను ప్రేమిస్తే నువ్వు ప్రేమించాలి.
Next film is AK vs AK. Released in 2020, starring Anil Kapoor and Anurag Kashyap. Anurag as a mad director kidnaps the daughter of Anil Kapoor who needs to find her without anyone's help in real life. Anurag as a director wants to capture real emotions and actions of real life actor in camera. Further story revolves on finding the Sonam Kapoor in realistic life. The plot of story is totally different from other movies. At some point you will be thinking like, is this real or scripted? Because of great acting of Anil Kapoor sir. The climax was so intense, they pulled it out like a real movie. Please don't miss this movie. Streaming on Netflix.
फिल्म इंडस्ट्री का सबसे बड़ा फ्रॉड है.
Next is Tamil movie Ispade Rajavum Idaya Raniyum. Released in 2019. Gautam is a jobless guy with a severe anger and Tara is an independent, understanding woman who falls in love with Gautam. But when she realizes that he is abusive, over-possessive and cannot control his anger, then relationship gets into worse and story moves on. Hero's attitude is the main highlight of the film with good acting and direction. If anyone is waiting for Arjun Reddy sequel, then it's specially made for you guys. 18 plus movie streaming on Disney Hotstar.
I love you. When you're in love, you have to be very careful.
Next is Malayalam movie Varane Avashyamunda, which means Groom Wanted, released in 2020 starring Dulquer Salmaan and Kalyani. The story is about finding a groom for Nikita and Shobana as a divorced middle-aged woman who is a mother to Nikita, wants to get close to an army veteran who is struggling to get into a civilian life. Dulquer plays Chap nicknamed Fraud, who is a subordinate character comparing to his stardom. It's a must-watch family movie with a simple story without any complications. Streaming on Netflix. If you forgot to subscribe our channel, please do subscribe and watch full video. Next is Telugu movie Bommarillu. Released in 2006, starring Siddharth and Genelia. Siddharth is the son of businessman Prakash Rai, wants to free from rules of his father. But Siddharth accidentally meets Genelia and gets attracted to her energetic nature, cheerfulness makes fall in love with her, and brings her to his house for 7 days to get to know her character to his family. Genelia's acting makes you fall in love with her character. It's a pure and straightforward family entertainer movie. It's must-watch movie even though old, it's one of the blockbuster movie of Telugu industry. Streaming on ZEE5. Next film is Wake Up Sid, released in 2009. Ranbir as a Sid who starts out as a spoiled brat who has no ambitions in real life other than spending dad's earning. Then he finds his true passion, true love and independent life. Then he meets Aisha Banerjee who travels to Mumbai in hope of becoming writer and they become friends. They are able to live each other by following their passion with completely opposite types of view on life. It's a refreshing story and highly recommend for old and new to Hindi too, because it helps to wake up in life. Streaming on Netflix.
लगता है गर्मी की वजह से पागल हो रही हो.
हाँ पागल हो रही हूँ.
अरे तो मैं क्या करूँ यार? आसमान से बारिश बरसाऊं?
क्यों नहीं? जब इतने एफिशिएंट हो गए हर चीज में तो ये भी करके दिखाओ ना.
लो.
Next film is Loot Case, released in 2020. Kunal Kemu works in printing press. One day he finds an abandoned suitcase with a full of cash, takes along with him and hides it in his neighbor's house. Then soon finds himself being chased by a notorious gangster, honest cop and minister who wants suitcase at any cost. The comic timing of every actor like Kunal Kemu, Rasika, Gajaraj Rao, Vijay Raj is superb. Film story and screenplay is good. It's a must-watch comedy entertainer film of 2020 undoubtedly. Streaming on Disney Hotstar.
पापा, मैं जानता हूँ घर पे पैसों का प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है, लेकिन उसके लिए प्लीज मेरा वाटर पार्क कैंसिल मत करना।
Next is Kannada romantic comedy movie Kiss. Released in 2019, starring Virat and Srileela. Srileela is a young carefree college student whose motto in life is to enjoy herself, and Virat is a rich attitude person. When she accidentally damages his car, to compensate the damage, she offers to work as an assistant for 72 days instead of paying money to avoid informing parents. In their 72 days, fight and love between the pair is nice. Heroine's cute expression and acting makes you feel more interesting. Narrative and cinematography is top, but climax would have made better. Streaming on MX Player.
ಎರಡು ಕಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡು ಲಿಪ್ ಟು ಲಿಪ್.
No chance.
Next, coming to Telugu comedy entertainer movie Middle Class Melodies. Released in 2020. Raghava is a hot-headed young man who believes he's Bombay Chutney and wants to set up his own tiffin center in Guntur and wants to marry a girl named Sandhya after succeeding in life. It is a cute middle-class story that unfolds regular tale but deeply explores the tone of Guntur and their lifestyle. The ever-cussing hero's dad, hero's friend, every character has a sketch and they say true too. Songs and BGM definitely are very different. Slang jokes and realistic family issues touch your heart. Streaming on Amazon Prime.
డబ్బులు జాగ్రత్త ముందా.
Next is another Telugu movie Evade Subramaniam. Released in 2011, starring Vijay Devarkonda and Nani. Nani, as a IIM graduate who is very ambitious, gets engaged to his boss daughter. During engagement ceremony, Nani's childhood friend Vijay Devarkonda enters his life, who is very energetic and never thinks about leaving. They both meet a spirited girl Anand in a pub. Vijay Devarkonda reveals his dream to travel with them to Dudhkasi, a holy lake in Himalayas.
ఉత్కాసి ఏంటా?
But after that, they experience a shocking twist and the story moves on. Vijay Devarkonda's role will melt your eyes with tears. It is an adventurous movie and Nani's outstanding acting makes movie perfect. Streaming on Disney Hotstar and YouTube in Hindi dubbed version.
ఫ్రెండ్ ఏంద్రా? బెస్ట్ ఫ్రెండ్.
Give your precious time to new content and worth watching movies, guys. Suggest your opinion about video in comment section. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe. Follow on Instagram for more updates.